Hello class 8. Let's study the next chapter, articles. What are articles? Articles are determiners that identify the nouns that are being referred to in sentences. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Uses of the indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? They are a and an. A is used before a noun which refers to any member of a group and not a specific member. For example, I want to read a book. A book, not a particular one, but any book. My brother wants to watch a film. A film. He is not naming a particular film. Number 2. A is used before a countable noun. For example, a man, a pen, a house, etc. Number 3. A also is used before a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. For example, a library, a university. Here, library L is a consonant, but university starting letter U is a vowel, but it gives a consonant sound. Now let's see the indefinite article an and its uses. An is used to refer to a non-specific person or thing. An is also used for the following. Number 1. Before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. All of you know it. For example, an apple, an umbrella. Number 2. An is also used before nouns that begin with a consonant that has a vowel sound. Yes, the letters, starting letters will be consonants, but the sound they produce will be of vowels. For example, an MLA, an NGO. Number 3. Before words that begin with silent H. Yes, the first letter may be H, but it will be silent. And therefore, the sounds will be of vowels. For example, an hour, an honest boy. We have learnt the uses of the indefinite articles a and an. Now let's learn the uses of the definite article the. The is used for the following. Number 1. Before a specific noun. Remember children, a and an were used before any noun, not a specific noun. But the is used before a very specific noun. For example, I want to read the book on ancient civilizations. I don't want to read any book, but I want to read a particular book. Which one? The book on ancient civilizations. Number 2. Before a superlative adjective. For example, the most brilliant student of the class. The tallest girl. We know it. Any superlative degree, when we use before that, we use the. Number 3. Before a noun that has been mentioned before. Already when a noun is mentioned and the next time when we want to refer to that particular noun, we use the. For example, this is a dangerous area in the forest. The area has been cordoned off by the forest officials. Which area has been cordoned off? The dangerous area in the forest. So again, there is no need to say that the dangerous area in the forest has been cordoned off. Instead of that, the area. Number 4. Before the name of a musical instrument. Can be any musical instrument. For example, She is practicing the piano. Number 5. When we refer to the members of a profession as a whole, the police have failed to act on time.